Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. How to properly pack for camping. A cup of raw broccoli has about 35 milligrams of calcium. The same amount of cooked broccoli contains 76 milligrams. Terrifying tapeworm head under the microscope. Love noodles, think twice, packed with trans fat and sodium. They increase bad cholesterol, obesity, and high blood pressure. Choose better options and nourish your body the right way. The fear of running out of reading material. Scientists create human embryo GPS in a first to unlock spine development secrets. A 2017 survey of 1,000 Americans about bacon found that 21% said they would eat it daily for the rest of their lives if given the choice, and 16% said they could not live without it. Only 4% said they did not like bacon. Yemenis spent an estimated 14.6 million man hours per day chewing khat. Couples who don't allow their partner to check or use their smartphone tend to doubt each other more, and in most cases, this causes breakup due to trust issues. This is a selfie taken with an actual camera by a Japanese couple in the 1920s. Father Christmas exchanged his red hood for a helmet to deliver presents during the London Blitz 1940. The first ever recorded snowball fight in Lyon, France 1896. Be brave even if you're not, pretend to be. This enormous pile of holiday packages at London's Mount Pleasant post office in 1952. British troops eating their Christmas dinner in a shell hole 25 December 1916. Polychoria is a condition in which there is more than one hole in the pupil of the eye. Rockefeller Center 51 years later in 1982. Xiaomi paid 2.2 crore to exchange its logo. US soldiers throwing a Christmas party for orphans and children in need, Germany 1950s. Oxford scientists have discovered that measuring time accurately increases the entropy disorder in the universe. Office Christmas Party 1925. A mysterious air base is being built on Yemen's volcanic Mayun island. No country has claimed it. Stick insects' eggs resemble like seeds scattered on forest floor. The very first Rockefeller Center Christmas tree, NYC 1931. Arnold was paid approximately $21,429 for every word he said in Terminator 2. You become what you constantly think about. Shell Cordovan is a premium leather known for its durability and unique characteristics. Shoes made from this material are water resistant, develop minimal creasing, and can last for decades with proper care. Easy to spot opportunity when you're always thinking of opportunity. Phosphorus necrosis of the jaw, commonly called fuzzy jaw, was really horrible disease and overwhelmingly a disease of the poor. Workers in match factories developed unbearable abscesses in their mouths leading to facial disfigurement and sometimes fatal brain damage. Sana Hiramat, an 11-year-old Florida girl set the Guinness World Record for the largest mental math multiplication. Just like the Newton's third law, after heavy rains on Kochi beach, the sea returned the dirty wastages that people scattered into the sea. Every action there is equal and opposite reaction. When a Mayan baby was born, the child and its mother had to be ignored for 3 days. This was so evil spirit did not notice there was a new body around to attack. The mother would tie cords around the baby's wrist and ankles to stop its soul escaping. The longer you have to wait for something, the more you will appreciate when it arrives. In 2016, researchers aboard the Nautilus exploration vessel were using an underwater robot to study the deep sea floor of California's coast. While broadcasting live online, they stumbled upon a bright purple squid with giant googly eyes, spiking laughter among the team. Unlike regular planets, which are gravitationally tied to stars, rogue planets don't have a stable orbit around any star. They may have originally formed in a star system but were ejected, or they could have formed in interstellar space far from any star. The struggle you are in today is developing the strength you will need for the battles of tomorrow. 6 popular Indian foods banned abroad. Samosa, Indian spices, ghee, poppy seeds, kebab, Chyawanprash,
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Thanks for watching.